So we're here today at our new North by South Werri Beach project. This luxury duplex is right on the beachfront. We've just completed our demolition, we've done our excavation and we're ready to chuck the pools in. We're partnering with Plungie Australia on this job and we're installing 2 of their 3x6 Max pools. Plungie is Australia's largest manufacturer of precast concrete pools. They provide the perfect solution for a site like this where we're building on soft beach sand. By taking what's traditionally been a constructed solution on site and turning it into a manufactured one off site, Plungie has simplified pool inclusions, has enabled builders like us to produce high quality pools with ease and speed. These pools are going to be amazing on this beachfront property. We're going to bring you back when it's all done for a better look.